asparagus in the menu today for breakfast.
Is it only asparagus? With what?
With egg.
Okay.
Do you know how to crack egg?
Again.
Do you know how to crack egg?
Again today.
This cracking of egg is not an easy thing,
I hear you.
because you might think it's easy just to crack egg. No! You have to crack it. You have to crack your egg so that the shells doesn't finish in the egg. To be honest, it is a very big thing. You need to have the professional hand,
Skill.
the professional skill and the technical know-how.
You see your life.
You don't have to crack egg. You think that cracking egg and you is the same age mate.
Is that salt not too much?
All pepper seasoning.
Is that water in the pan?
Yes, you have to cook this for 3-4 minutes with that water until the water dries up.
Okay, to soften it.
Yes, to soften it.
Before adding egg.
Before adding olive oil
Okay.
for the egg. So the olive oil, this water will help to soften the asparagus. Just put it there. Close it a little
Not that
bit.
one, not that one.
3 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, the water has dried. Have you seen it? The water has dried.
Is it soft now?
Yeah. The thing doesn't need too long.
I have one. Oh, but no sauce. You didn't add salt.
Salt is in the egg.
Well, it's naturally sweet. For me, the taste is not bad.
So add up a little bit of olive oil.
My Odogu chef. Odogu chef. Oh.
Doesn't need any much ingredients.
Yeah. It's a natural
Food.
Okay.
No much ingredients.
It's done.
Yeah.
This is food on its own. No bread or
No bread.
yeah. Just eat it the way it is.
Because if you are on a weight loss journey, this will help you. This asparagus helps to clean your liver. It's very nice.
Okay.
Don't need more. You
Of
can
the
turn
heat.
off the heat.
So that it will be moist.
Don't need to make it dry. So this is it.
All done.
Hold on.
Oh wow. Let's dig in. Wow. Give me that fork. Let me taste. Have a taste. I like how natural it is.
Voila. Ngwana. Bye bye.